Hello guys, welcome to Phone G's YouTube channel, and today we shall be giving you an unboxing video and a video review for the Infinix HOT smartphone, also known as the Infinix X507, which was released in November last month by Infinix Mobility in conjunction with Konga. This video is going to show you how the Infinix phone performs, and also is going to show you the unboxing of the Infinix Infinix X507 smartphone. I hope as you watch it, you will enjoy. So this is the phone. When you buy it the first time, this is the pack it comes with. It's a white pack. You have a white pack at the top, at the side, everywhere, and then you have the Infinix, at the top left corner and other things like that. When you open the box, what you find is your Infinix phone immediately. There's no other covering, just the Infinix phone, and when you pull it out, you can see how the phone looks like. It's slim, it's a medium, or let me say it's a low-end phone, because as far as we're concerned, a medium and high-end phone have their own class. This is a low-end phone, but a very good low-end phone and very cheap low-end phone. When we put on the phone for the first time, it took about 27.72 seconds for it to boot up. So if you measure it as you are watching this video now, if you time it from the time we put it on to the time it finally came on, it's about 27.72 seconds, which is not bad for a phone of this size. I mean, it's running Android 4.4.2. It has 1.3 gigahertz of processor speed, quad core, and it also has 16 gigabyte internal memory. So this is a phone that, I mean, should perform the way phones are supposed to perform, So it took 27.72 seconds for it to boot up, and once it boots up, everything shows up, and then you can see that it has the same interface just like the Infinix Zero. A lot of people like the Infinix Zero interface because, I mean, it's flat, it's smooth, and everything like that. So the Infinix X507 also have that same fluid, flat, cool looking interface like that. So that is that about the Infinix X smartphone interface. Also, when you open the phone for the first time, when you put it on, some applications are installed. You have the Konga application that comes pre-installed on the phone. So if you have internet connection, you can access Konga website directly from there. Also, you have other features that you find in Android 4.4.2 on the phone. If you like Android 4.4.2, definitely you're gonna like this smartphone. So this is an unboxing video review. When you open the pack, when you open the other part of the pack, you find some other things in the pack, because the phone comes on top, and then below the phone you have other items in the pack. One of the items is the 2-pin charger, where you can plug in your USB port, and then you can plug into the mains. So that is standard charger that comes with the Infinix X507, also known as the Infinix HOT smartphones. A very good smartphone, very cheap. And in the other box right there, you find manuals, instructional manuals, and also you also have the USB cable and the 3.5mm earphone jack that comes in the box. So when you buy this phone for the first time, when you unbox it, this is what we expect you. This is what we expect you find inside the box: a charger, a USB cord, a 3.5mm earphone jack, and your phone, and then of course instructional manuals. It doesn't come with extra battery or anything. The battery comes already loaded in the phone. So if you buy the phone for the first time and you don't find a battery in it, we expect that you return this phone and then get another one. So that is the unboxing of the Infinix X507 or Infinix HOT smartphone. The next video that will be showing you is how the phone works. So we hope that you will enjoy the review that follow immediately after this unboxing, which will shed more light on the specifications and features and other things like that. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Infinix HOT smartphone, also known as Infinix X507. Currently, Konga is not selling it yet, but we believe that before the week runs out, Konga should start selling this device. Like we said earlier, it's cheap, and it's about I think for right now, if you're buying from Konga, you can purchase it for the price of 12,900. So which is good for a smartphone of this category, you know. So that is that about the price. So let's quickly go into the smartphone. So that is it. When you open the pack, the first thing you see is the smartphone itself, and then I'm going to take it out now so you can see exactly what is inside the pack, you know. In the pack, once you open the box, you take off the phone, and then you remove the top black covering. What you find inside the pack are your cable, you find manuals, you find your operational manual, which is written in English and I think in Arabic too. And also you have other cables, you know, that comes with the phone. You have your 3.5 mm earphone jack, and you have your USB cable that comes with the phone. And then also you have your usual 2-pin charger that you can plug to mains, and then you can, you know, you can plug in your USB into that port, and then you can charge your phone very well. The one thing that we've liked about the Infinix charger is that it lasts longer than I mean, I've had about 2 Infinix chargers, and they still functioning even to date. So that's the Infinix X507 smartphone. You can see it's not big, it's not wide, it's a very medium built smartphone. I mean, the way it is built is very similar to if you know one of the Infinix X405 smartphone back in the day. So the phone is sleek. You can see the back case, the way the back case is done, such a way that you can hold it, and then it has good grip to it. When you, I mean, it has this texture, I don't know, at the back. When you hold the phone, you can grip it very well, and it's not going to fall off your hand, you know. And that's something that we like about the phone. I mean, the screen is a FW VGA IPS capacitive touchscreen screen, and it's 5.0 inch in terms of diagonal diameter. At the side, you have, at one side you have your power button and the volume buttons. There's no other button at the other side of the phone, but on this side right here, I'm showing you right now, you have the volume buttons and the power buttons. So the Infinix X507, let me just open up the back case so that you can see that the battery is removable, because I've had people asking me questions. Is the battery removable just like the Infinix? Is it removable or not, just like the Infinix Zero? Because the Infinix Zero battery is non-removable. The Infinix X507, which is the Infinix HOT, the battery is very removable. As you can see in the video, you can see the battery compartment. You have 2 SIM card slot. You can see that's one SIM card over there, and you can have the second SIM card there. And then at the other side, with the third side, you have your memory card reader. So it takes memory card. So you have, it's a dual SIM, dual standby phone with a memory card, and then you can now insert your battery. One thing I like about the Infinix X507 or the Infinix HOT is that you can actually put in SIM card even without removing the battery. So that's the X507 covering up, so we can, you know, boot it on. The first time we boot on this phone, it took about 27.72 seconds, and if you count down from now, you find that it's about 27.7 seconds, which is fast. I mean, for a small phone like this. Let me run through the specs again for you in case you've not read our review. But it's a dual SIM, dual standby phone. It has 2G, 3G, 3.75G network bands, GSM, you know, network bands, WCDMA, and you have a dimension of 142.4 by 73.2 by 10.1 mm, and it's running Android 4.4.2 operating system, which is the KitKat operating system. You can see how the interface is. One thing we like about the Infinix X507, so if you like the Infinix Zero interface, the way the interface is, definitely you will like this. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It has resolution of 480 by 854 pixels. That's the resolution, and then it comes with quad-core MediaTek 1.3 GHz processor and a Mali 400 GPU. You know, that comes with the phone. So if you are watching videos and playing games, graphics is not a problem. Graphics is not a problem. I mean, they display well. We've had time to test this phone for about we tested for like 2 weeks. We did all kinds of stuff on it. We recorded voice, videos and stuff like that. And it's a very good phone for the price of 12,900 naira. So you can see the interface is just like the Infinix Zero, very slick, very fluid. It's running Android 4.4.2, which is KitKat, which is one of the latest operating system for Android. Let me just say that the latest one is Android 5.0 Lollipop, and we know that Infinix have said by next year there will be a phone coming out, Infinix 02, that will carry Android 5.0 Lollipop. But for now, this Infinix X507 or Infinix HOT is carrying Android 4.4.2, and it has a 16 gig internal memory with a memory card slot, so you can extend the memory card, and it supports up to 32 gigabyte SD card. The RAM is 1 gig RAM, so things can run smoothly. You can do what you want to do on the phone. I mean, for a very low-end phone, this is a very well designed smartphone. Honestly, playing with the phone for 2 weeks, it was good. It comes pre-installed with the application. I mean, most these days people like to use Facebook, they like to use WhatsApp. So when you switch on this phone for the first time, you don't need to download all those applications. You don't need to waste your data trying to set up your phone. All the apps are already in the phone. Even games. So you have Facebook, you have WhatsApp, you have BBM, you have Asphalt, you have, just name all this, Instagram, all these, the apps that you will use on a daily basis, because this phone is targeted towards people that are just coming into Android, and those that don't want to spend so much money in buying the phone. So what's the point of spending so much money, spending less money in buying the phone, and then spending so much money in setting up the phone for the first time, trying to download applications? So this phone comes with most of the applications, the basic applications that you need as a person: Facebook, WhatsApp, BBM, Snapchat, all those kind of email, Gmail, and all those applications that you would need on on the day-to-day activity basis. And it also has Wi-Fi. So if you want to download applications and you are connected to a Wi-Fi, you can use your Wi-Fi to connect. And also it has a Wi-Fi hotspot that you can use. It has Bluetooth version 4.0. It has a micro USB port at the top side, and then you have a GPS, AGPS, and other kinds of sensors. So this is more or less a very good medium-end, or let me say a low-end smartphone, if you're looking at the price. I mean, the price is just what is baffling me. For example, I mean, 12,900 naira for a smartphone of this nature. If you convert that money to dollars, that's a really small amount of money. Anyway, that's something that we can discuss some other time. So this again is the Infinix X507 smartphone. Is fluid. We've tested it. We've used it for a while, and I can assure you that if you buy this phone, you will just enjoy using the phone. The battery is a removable battery, and it's 2,000 mAh battery power, so it can last you for a good amount of time for a basic user, that you can maybe use your phone for browsing, watching videos, receiving mails, and your normal day-to-day task that you use your smartphones for. So I mean, the battery power is alright. It doesn't get hot. We tested it for 2 good weeks to see how it's gonna perform under heavy usage, and even when charging the phone, it doesn't get hot at all. Something that we've experienced, within these 2 weeks. If you go back to your Infinix Zero, you find that some people were complaining that the phone gets hot while charging it, and Infinix was able to push out an update that once you download on your Infinix Zero, that thing is is removed. The Infinix HOT doesn't get hot. Even though the name says it's Infinix HOT, but it doesn't get hot while using it or while charging it. The front camera is 2 megapixel, and the back camera is 5.0 megapixel back camera with flashlight. So the flashlight is located immediately below the camera. So when you're taking pictures, comes out very, very well. I mean, for those that like to take pictures, for a camera, a camera of 5.0 megapixel, the images are very, very well. Good images. The color resolution is all right. It doesn't fade out, and things like that. In fact, I think Infinix have gotten better with their camera. I mean, they've done a good job, if you ask me. So that is the Infinix X507. While we're watching movies on it, was watching. You can record video, and the video comes out very well. So that's one thing that we like about the Infinix X507 or the Infinix HOT. If you want to buy it out there, the name you should use is the Infinix HOT, because the X507 is more like a model number. So the phone comes in different colors. You have yellow, you have green, you have blue, and then one thing that we've not been able to test out, we're supposed to have this glowing case. I mean, Infinix, when they were marketing this product, one of the things that we're told is that the case glows at night. We've not been able to lay our hands on it, but definitely once we have one, definitely we'll let you know, the performance of how the case works, definitely. So after this review, definitely there will be another review that will tell you on how you can undo other things, but we can tell that it handles games, it handles videos and browsing very well. Browsing speed is excellent. It's a dual SIM phone, and I hope you guys enjoy this phone. We'll bring you more review. Thank you very much, and click the like button if you like this video. Bye.